Hi guys, I was gifted this drone from the seller so I can show you everything about it. Let's take it out of the box and see what you're gonna get. So we do have the nice case here. Right, so here is your little drone. It's all compact and folded up. It does come with 2 batteries here. The remote controller here, which looks like it takes AA batteries for the remote. Yeah, it takes AA's. So just in the back here, it's gonna take 3 AA's. I already charged up these drone batteries right here. So you just use the C-style charger, which is, where did they put it again? I just charged it. The port is right here for your C-style charging. Looks like it does come with some extra parts here if you need that. And of course the instruction manual. So I'm gonna go set it up and let's see if we can fly this thing. Let's see how hard it is. All right guys, let's try out this drone here. I'm gonna set it on the ground. Gonna turn it on. All right, so I just had to hit the power button there, and we're gonna do up and down, and then it says to do the horizontal alignment with that. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna try the automatic takeoff. Let's see if this works. Look at that. So this drone does have a lot of cool features. It does have gravity control, 360-degree flip, mid-air hover state, does have gesture photography, so you can just show different hand gestures to take video and stuff with it. But it does have a lot of cool features. All right guys, so I downloaded this app. It was really easy to install. Let's click start. Oh, look at that. We got the picture of the ground. Huh. All right, let's go ahead and take off again. And look, you can see us on the picture right there, and it's just hovering. So if you want to turn it around, we'll just turn it like this. Look at that. You can see all around the property here. It's kind of cool that you got that view right there. It goes way up there. So if you guys are in the market for a really cool drone like this one, that you can use just the remote, or if you want, you can use the app. It's pretty easy to fly. It's not too hard to set up. So if you guys are in the market for a drone, go ahead and get this one. You're gonna love it. Thanks.